Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak some words about the topic, was life a century ago easy? If you observe, human being is changing himself over the time period of a centuries to make his life easier to live. Some of these changes makes us happy and worth to live, like changes in economy, lifestyle and technology. But some of them leads us to disaster, like how World War I and II happened. So let's just take a small look on what was the lifestyle of a people living in the time of 1920s. Now if you just imagine yourself to live without the electricity, fans and lights for at least 1 hour, you know how irritating it is. But you will be wondered to know that this situation was very common a century ago. Yes, only a handful of people having authority as well as the wealthy people could enjoy it. But now, especially talking about India, the electricity is made available for everyone, not only a urban part, but also every area of a rural part also. The electricity is made available everywhere. Now, just similar to that, if you ask yourself to live without the cell phone and internet facilities for at least 1 day, yes, it is very horrible to hear and it is very challengeable to do also. The research shows that an average man spends around 2 hours per day on the cell phone only. But the situation was very different a century ago, as there were no cell phone facilities and internet facilities. The things which we are getting today easily was a struggle a century ago. Then let's talk about the thing, freedom. We all want freedom, freedom to criticize, to live happily, to travel, to speak, to write, and almost every one of us today enjoying this freedom. But in the past, we were oppressed by the British people, and it was very tough for a common man to do anything independently and openly. While talking about freedom, we should not forget about the thing, Indian caste system. Yes, that how there was a Indian caste hierarchy, caste discrimination, and caste oppression was happening. But today, if you see that there are new laws, preventions, and atrocities to prevent and stop all these discriminations and oppressions, and that's how we are one step ahead to bring equality in our society. Apart from that, talking about the lifestyle of a people, the lifestyle and needs of the people had changed over the period of 100 years. Reason for being saying this is, if you just ask your grandparents, if possible, about their income and their needs at their time as well as their parents' time, you will be shocked to hear their wages and needs and their standard of living. And now if you just see at our needs, our standard of living, average income of a person today, you will get surprised to get that difference. And that's how it seems the development in our industry and technology and how the world economy has grown drastically. Then talking about traveling, who don't wants to travel or enjoys the traveling? Everyone. Today traveling is so easy that anyone can travel in any part of the world as well country via plane, ship and car very easily. But it will not be a hyperside to say that these things was a dream for at least a common people a century ago. And that seems the development in our aviation and automobile industry over the past 100 years. We all know about the social media, how it has brought us very closer to each other, and we can contact now anyone at any time. But some of the disadvantages of these are lack in the face-to-face communication. There is a very rare time to give our loved ones due to our packed and busy schedule. Some of the other demerits like increasing in population and pollution, a big crisis towards us which we should be aware of as early as possible. If you know, in the 1920s, there was a pandemic Spanish flu which killed almost 5 crores of people in just a span of 2 years due to lack of awareness in the people and lack of medical facilities. But today, medical field has been grown rapidly that we are dealing with the deadly diseases very efficiently. But still there are some diseases currently like COVID-19 which we are facing difficulty to battle, to defeat. It means be it 1920 or 2020, there are some challenges which are difficult us to live. But I hope we will overcome this problem very soon. Then talking about lastly education, the education is very difficult to get access to common people in the past, where now it is a free of cost, at least basic education, and any type of any field education you can get very easily today. So actually speaking, if you see and observe the period of last 100 years and compare like today's life, it was very difficult to live at that time and very easier now. Hence it is very difficult for anyone to brought up in the today's modern present society and to just imagine about the life a century ago. And finally, we should not forget our ancestors, freedom fighters, and our inventors who makes our day-to-day today's life better to live. We should thank and remember them always and should upgrading us always. Thank you.